Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this 4-room flat in Punggol. Okay, so this is a resale flat. Basically there are a lot of hacking down of the walls. So I'll just go through with you what are the things that I have proposed, and I'll show you more along the way when there's more progress. Okay, so first thing when you come in, okay, this is the main entrance, right? Living room, and then the dining area. Okay, as you can see here, right, the walls have been hacked down, right? This groove on the floor is actually the original wall location, right? So there are 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, 2 common bedrooms over here. So all these have been hacked down, and I'm going to reconfigure the bedrooms. So basically there's going to be just 1 bedroom here, and then the master bedroom remains. Okay, but there's some shifting of the walls. So here, right, you can see the aircon trunking already laid. So basically this aircon trunking, right, is catering for the aircon blower, which is over here, and you can see there's some trunking at the bottom. Okay, and then this is the water pipe for the aircon going towards the toilet. Okay, so here I'm going to do a drop ceiling down that flushes with the aircon trunking and all the way in. So that's a passageway to the master bedroom, and this is the dining area. So basically there isn't any false ceiling here. Right, there's some false ceiling here as well to cover up the beam. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen. Okay, so what you are seeing here right now is the big format tiles, which is 1.2 meter by 600. Okay, I've specially chosen these tiles because I think it has got very nice grains. Okay, it mimics limestone. Okay, so it's not very textured. Okay, a bit of a matte finish. Then I think the oil would be easily, or the grease can be easily cleaned off. Okay, so what you're seeing here is just a L. Okay, basically there is no top cabinet. Okay, there isn't any top cabinet. It's just a base cabinet. Okay, I'm going to create a light box over here, like a U shape, and there won't be any lights here anymore. Okay, there'll be lights at this light box itself. So over here, okay, it's going to be the dining area. The dining table is going to be placed like that. Okay, and then this is a feature. If you look here, there is a bomb shelter. So this bomb shelter will also be concealed. Okay, this entire living area TV will also be boxed up, okay, because of this indentation on the wall, which I don't think is nice to look at. Over at this area here is going to be a yoga area, right? So this area I'm going to carve out a space for the yoga area, and so this entire space is going to be the common bedroom. Okay, so it's a huge bedroom, right? It stretches from the master all the way to somewhere at the yoga area. Okay, so I'm keeping the existing flooring because I'm going to overlay with vinyl floor tiles. So there was this original skirting. Okay, I think it's a wood skirting. So all these have been removed. But always remember, once you remove, right, the skirting has to be touched up, and the gap here, right, preferably filled up. If not, then just make sure that the vinyl floor, right, or this gap is not too wide. Okay, so the vinyl floor can just flush in with the wall, and so the vinyl floor will actually be flush all the way towards the kitchen area, and it will stop at the yard area, okay, which is over here. Okay, so at the yard area, right, this is going to be the sink. So the kitchen cabinet here for the sink will actually be continued towards the service yard area, and then this tall piping will be boxed up. Okay. Okay, I just want to explain a little bit on the aircon side. Okay, because if you have an aircon right at the living and it's being installed on the beam like that, okay, and you are still waiting for the partition to be up, so what can you do? So please tell your aircon man to, okay, just to explain to you a little bit first. This is the water drainage pipe. Okay, you can see that it's hanging. Okay, this is the copper pipe. Okay, it's over here, right? So the aircon location is actually here. If you are planning to have partition, but you haven't constructed the partition, so what you can do is you tell your aircon man to use this bracket, okay, to hang the any pipings, right? It could be the copper piping, could be the water piping. I just hang on the ceiling, okay, and goes all the way to the bathroom. Okay, in this way, of course you got to get the position right. Okay, this is the partition position, right? So you got to get it right and tell your aircon man to just do this first. Okay, all these are very good brackets that can hold on to the piping very well. Okay, so of course when you install the partition, just have to remind the partition guy to make sure that try not to adjust too much on the leveling, because this is the water pipe, right? So the drainage will actually flow from the lower all the way towards the toilet. So from this angle, right, this is the common bedroom. From this angle, you can see there's one more aircon blower here. Okay, so this is actually above the door, the bedroom door, connecting to the same water piping, right, that runs into the master bathroom. So right now my tailor is overlaying the tiles. Okay, he's doing the box up for the shampoo niche. Okay, what you can see here is the edges of all the tiles are at an angle, which is like 45 degrees. So all the edges are being joined at the 45 degrees. Okay, I think this is a nicer finish instead of seeing the thickness of the tiles. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is 45 degree joint, and you see this tile here, it's at an angle. Okay, quite sharp right now, but it's okay. Once you put two pieces together, everything will feel better. Okay, let's take a look at the common. Okay, the common tiles have been overlaid. Okay, basically there are two tones of tiles. Okay, one the darker one and then the lighter one for the wall and the floor. They are all using the same tiles. Right, I made like a step down for the shower area, and then this is the shower box up where there's a shampoo niche. Okay, all the pipings have not been removed. Right, it's just being extended out for this shower mixer. Okay, just take note that if you have a floor trap at the bottom, okay, just make sure that you leave enough room for you to access if there's any chokeage. Okay, you realize that there's this pipe here, right? This pipe is going to be cut short. Right, basically it's just the storage heater overflow pipe. Okay, that is the original. So I can't change that. Okay, I'm just going to cut short and let the water flow out if it's overflow from the storage heater. Okay, so that is the shower area. Okay, and what I want to show you is actually this curb here. Okay, a lot of homeowner will just do a straight curb, right? Because it's a step down, so normally do a straight curb. Right, the problem is having a straight curb is if you have a door here, the swing door to the shower, then the swing door is actually on the higher floor level. Okay, and then when water drips down from the inside, right, it will just flow out from the inside out. So if you were to do a cut like that, okay, then the door will be at the lower floor level, which is at the shower floor area. So then in that way, the water will just drip into the shower area instead of coming out. Okay, so this part here will be the fixed panel. Okay, the fixed panel is there, and followed by the door, which is going to swing in.